In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a journal report on Xero, full 2025 guide. If you're closing the month, answering an audit question, or just double checking adjustments, the journal report is the quickest way to see all journal lines in one place. I'll walk you through the exact path in the 2025 Xero interface so you can get there confidently and understand what you're looking at. Start on the Xero dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one, and wait for the dashboard tiles to finish loading so the navigation is fully available. Along the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. That's where everything begins. Next, select Accounting from the top navigation. This opens the accounting menu, which contains your core bookkeeping tools. Even if your layout looks a little different due to updates or screen size, the accounting menu will always be your gateway to reports. From that menu, choose Reports. This takes you to Xero's reporting home, where all standard and custom reports live. There are a lot of options here, so don't worry about scrolling. The fastest route is to use the search within the reports page. In the search field, type Journal Report. As you type, Xero will filter the list. The one you want is simply called Journal Report. Using search avoids mixing it up with similar sounding options and gets you there in seconds. Now select Journal Report. This opens a detailed view of your journal data. On this page, you'll typically see columns like Date, Journal Reference, Account, Contact, Description, and the debit and credit amounts for each line. It's a line-by-line look at how transactions impact your ledger, which is exactly what auditors and reviewers need. If you're reviewing a specific time period or event, the on-screen options make it straightforward to narrow what you see, sort columns to bring exceptions to the top, and scan for unusual accounts or amounts. You can also follow the reference links to drill into underlying transactions when available, helping you trace figures back to their source. If the journal report doesn't appear in your search results, you may be looking at limited access, or a role that doesn't include reporting. In that case, check with your organization's Xero administrator to confirm your permissions. That's all there is to it. From the dashboard, go to Accounting, open Reports, search for Journal Report, and then select Journal Report. With this path, you can quickly surface the journal lines you need and move on with your reconciliation or review.